Alright, lovely family. How are you guys doing today? First things first, I know I haven't uploaded any animated videos and such, and the truth is, the work come get. I'm not like necessarily pressured or anything. I'm just, I don't know, I'm busy, like really busy, and I have exams, so that's that. I personally don't even know why I'm even come and showing this, because I did not take any trades today. I didn't take any trades today. Well, this week entirely. As I say, I've been busy. And the robot, well, the robot, I don't think personally it is still running. I have just not opened this because, truth be told, if you look at this, you see $4 left, $4. This is a lovely robot. Just been losing money. So, food for thought. I personally would have made more money trading myself. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue to. But for now, I might just put on trading. The only thing I still do is like on the weekends I look on the charts and I also look at my Excel sheet, because I kind of probably going to be a trader, as in like equity, not only Forex but equity traders. So I'm getting practice from now. There. And that's really that for robot. That's really that for Forex in general until I want to say New Year's, but I'm not sure. My impulse might trigger me to like go trade again before the Christmas. But I'm kind of at some of my goals. Basically hit one of them, which was like crypto. I created the Excel sheet for crypto as well. I'm going to show you shortly. And yeah, so that's that. So basically we're done with Forex for now, at least. At least for the next I'm gonna say my exam finished the 22nd. But normally the market not gonna really move much after them days here or whatever. I don't know, but personally I go just study. I have exam the 7th, I have one the 10th, I have one the 17th, I have one 21 and 22nd. So I have a study because well, I'll pull through still. We can't let the government tell them to pay for the school fee. So that's that for RoboForex. In regards to YouTube now, I must say I haven't uploaded a video in a while. Alright, so in regards to YouTube now, as you can see, all the views I'm kind of go down now, because I haven't really uploaded much. Going straight, if you see my content, it's really just been like reviews. So 1, 2, 3, so that's roughly 4 weeks, maybe a month or so now. I haven't a month now since I basically do something proper. I've just been swamped, I'm not gonna lie to you. I've just been swamped, isn't it? And that's that per se. In regards to, and I have art, so I was going to upload my books, but it's a case where most of them I did take down because of the whole copyright situation. So me have to go back and render everything, blah blah. I have one book though, which is this. But essentially, what I did, I had them in chapters, because my device cannot render something for like 8 hours. Going at it. And my phone cannot do it as well. So what I plan to do is just maybe, seeing that it's 3 weeks, I will be essentially out of commission in a way. The last week I have a video already made, but it wouldn't apply right now. It'll be more later down, which is like how to apply for a house. So there's that. But in regards to this thing can go rich, I'm going to probably just drop like 2 chapters, so maybe 2 or 3 this week. So maybe I'll figure out a way how to drop it, but I'll drop it in order, and then I hope that you guys can watch that and be alright with it for me. And I have content coming out, I have scripts already, I have everything. The animation aspect of it is giving me a little fight. Alright, so that's that. In regards to how much money I have now, I don't know. I'm about $80 right now. I think I haven't checked. I have not checked, but $80, $82, $83 roughly. So that's that. Alright, so in regards to the stocks, them this is partially not accurate for the most part. I did buy some more Winton as an example for a video that not released as yet, because I don't put out it. I want it to be in order. So right now I'm at 55. My goal for this year is to reach 70. I already have 10 more to like put in. I think I can get some more in. I think I'm not sure. It's not honey bunny. To me right now, honey bunny is kind of high, so I'm just waiting for it to go down a little bit. Not honey bunny. Not honey bunny. I think it's lumber depot and creamy. Yeah, creamy, because right now creamy they're intentionally staying off the grid. There's 5 more, and then I'm going to get it at a nice little price. Right now, losing $1,000. So I can DC, I can carry it down a little bit more. I still going to do some a little light research in regards to before I buy it, because personally I'm not sure 100%. I kind of like seeing if I can beef up my dividend stocks, and then right now see they're losing like 2 cents off, losing 2 cents off chance. So I don't know, is either between it or lumber depot. I think it's lumber depot. Yeah, it or lumber depot, because they're all in the red, and this is double digit, so it basically, I say yes, buy me please. You see me? But yeah, I'm not buying purity. I'm going to sell purity shares. That's how it will go back. But yeah, so that's really it in regards to this. It's not a lot of cash, and I don't want to stretch it too thin. I want at least have some heavy hitters. I think next video you'll see me highlight. So these like my heavy hitters. Carriers, I don't even know. Carriers is a dividend stock, yes, but at the same time, I remember I was doing some calculations, and I think they pay like, if you do the math, $100 for the year. If the stock price is roughly 8, and you're paying $100, that is, I don't know, I think it's less than 10%. If I'm being honest, I'm not sure. I don't think they pay out 10% in dividend, but it's not really a growth stock. So yeah, I asked just myself about that. I wanted honey bun, but shall be of the most way. So after I'm buy any other cash I come across or whatever, I am going to get into, I don't know, I was going to increase my things that I'm sure about outside of even technical analysis. So honey bun, trans, I'm supposed to pay a dividend, but I'm not stressing myself about that. That is quite fine with trans. Yeah, so I'm just buying and see how it goes for the most part. I really want to reach 10k in this, but that 8%, man, I was averaging 66, 77. I just pray say drop back down a little more easy, but for now, since the opportunity presents itself, I'm going to get into creamy and I think creamy are their man traders. I'm not sure. So yeah, it's a new thing on an Excel spreadsheet is the ratios. I had an exam, a Finman exam, and online school is beautiful. It's beautiful. I just create an Excel sheet, put in all the different based on questions that sir would ask. All the question in all of the parts that inventory blah 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 for calculate all the gross, and then yeah, so even if you forget, so you can know RS or whatever, you just remember what it is, so price or earning to EPS, and in good if you kill up yourself on ATT, and if you fill out the whole Excel sheet, fill out the whole of the information which normally is right on it, and the information, then you're good, because you just have all of the ratios them and everything. I'm going to test it before exam, but it's pretty okay. So that's that for the, I think next week when you see me again, going to be maybe 60 something. I don't know what the market will be doing, but yeah, I'm just looking for the persons that are in double digit fall that I'm sure about outside of technical analysis and working with them. So yeah, even 50, like this is crazy. I've been like, anyways, just learning some there. But then ramble. Oh yeah, the last thing is my Excel sheet for crypto, which I have recently created. Nothing fancy if I'm being honest. It's just a casual thing. I didn't even make the artwork for it as yet. So essentially just all of the cryptos I have. I have some more cryptos that I bought. Yeah, the only thing with the crypto one is that I can't copy and paste. So now I have to just manually input data. It's kind of a bummer, but I'm not going to buy every crypto on it, so it'll be fine. So it just help me calculate the growth until I learn how to like pull information from like Coinbase or whatever. Then for now, I'm just working with this format. So basically, this is wrong by the way. First thing first, I have more money, even though all them already dip, so I end up buying more on the dip. So I should be, when it go back up to maybe like them prices here or whatever, I should be seeing a higher growth. These are wrong. This is not updated. Nothing. This was in Monday, Tuesday. I want to say Tuesday. Tuesday I created this Excel document. So Tuesday would have been. Don't quote me on it because I don't remember what happened yesterday. So Tuesday would have been the 30th. Okay. So basically what I'll do now is that the same weighted average formula, the amount of units, and then you put the price, then give it a weighted average, and it should be better. What I've done though is I've updated the unit price, because when I showed my Excel sheet to somebody, they were saying that this is exactly pulling from the stock Excel sheet. Is that some persons can track maybe like them last 5 or so stocks, them the last 5 prices them buy it at. So rather than them if you are doing 2 and 2, I just put the 5 and then you can put in the information and then you will be okay. So yeah, so that's that for this video. I don't even know what I'm going to title this, but thank you guys for watching. Smash the like button for YouTube algorithm, and just will be patient with me. Next year will be better, isn't it? So much love.